if you may allow me to show my screen, that.
Yeah, please. What is that to allow? You just have to kick me out and start presenting. I noticed you can do it in this new version of Google Meet. You can start presenting your screen even when my presentation is on.
We can't kick you out, sir.
No, I won't go out also.
No, that wasn't my intention either. So I just plotted. I mean, this is my very first attempt to understand HABB because I was not active these days. So this is the chart, right? This is today's chart.
What is the time frame? 15, huh?
15 minutes, like you said, sir.
Yeah.
So to be frank, this Bollinger Band wouldn't have been here. I mean, at the day start, it expanded actually as the price moves, right?
Correct. You're right.
So
But
initially the band.
All I know is the price is not opening here. It is opening here.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Before the expansion, it was at the top of the band only.
Exactly.
Right. When I see the price at the top of the band, my mind is conditioned to saying sell.
Yes.
No.
But again, the point
waiting.
of walking the band comes here.
Let it come here. Let it walk the band. But we know for sure price is going to come back inside the band.
Absolutely, sir.
That means this walking the band is not going to be a continuous affair.
That is true, unless it meets a resistance. Otherwise, why would it come back? Why would it retrace?
Price is when price is moving up, it cannot move up for forever. No, it has to stop somewhere.
See, it went ahead the whole day yesterday, and then obviously it is bound to be in a bullish market.
It is bound to be a bullish market for some time.
Yeah.
We don't know what that time is when it will reverse.
No, exactly. I'm trying to put forward that point.
We have our Heikin-Ashi signal.
No, I'm trying to put forward the very same point, sir. If you see it on 15 minutes Bollinger Band, the band would have been here like this,
Correct.
Like this, it would have been
Correct.
during the start of the day. But as the price moved up, it expanded. So what I'm trying to say is, why not we put another Bollinger Band? Okay. This is not to confuse or anything. Okay. If you guys are aware of it or not, I'm not sure. But if you can just change the length to 80, it converts the 15 minutes to 60 minutes.
Correct. Okay.
Right.
Great,
so what I'm trying to say is, here you are seeing 15 minutes Bollinger Band and 15 minutes chart.
In conjunction with the 1 hour chart, basically.
Absolutely. So this is a confluence. Okay.
Great.
And to meet and break the confluence, it requires heavy strength. These are Heikin-Ashi, you can see like that. But if you see the normal candle, those are not momentum candles.
Correct.
So that has to break down. Okay. And you can royally target the middle Bollinger Band of 1 hour. This is the day. So you don't need convergence of upper Bollinger Band or moving average on the upper Bollinger Band or lower Bollinger Band also. Okay. Yesterday, if you see, it was a very strong confluence rejection point.
Yeah, true.
It was a very strong confluence. That is the reason price has rallied like hell.
Brilliant, yeah, brilliant.
And it didn't stop at the 15 minutes Bollinger Band, but it continued to hit upper Bollinger Band. I mean, 1 hour higher time frame Bollinger Band, upper band.
Okay.
So that is what it was likely to do. And then in the gap up, it has done that.
Okay.
Once it hit the upper Bollinger Band, again it retraced. It retraced till where? The middle Bollinger Band. Probably it might again retrace, or God knows, whatever happens. And I was trying to see those days, sir. You showed some day, right?
Yeah, about
May 25th, I guess.
No, it was
May.
May 25th was one, but let us look at something which was nearest.
Look at this. Look at this. What Max sir has said is absolutely true. But what I am trying to say, if you plot this and this along with this, you clearly know it already hit the upper Bollinger Band on 1 hour. It is likely to go downwards.
Yeah.
Okay, there is no fuss here. Okay, it hit 15 minutes higher band, lower band, no fuss here. Simply, you just follow the middle Bollinger Band. If the price is below, you continue riding it.
Okay. Actually, a brilliant idea.
So what about on 21st? Days like 21st or 17th of this month?
No, 21st is a fantastic day, I would say. See the confluence. And these are the days
No,
where
no,
you
the
get
later
the
part.
Crossover.
where crossover here. Yeah, this is an
No, no,
exit
no.
point, obviously.
No, after that, post that. Yeah, the next point. Yeah, the next point that they're together. I'm just trying to understand because it's the first time I'm hearing of it. That's why I'm asking a
See,
question.
I
Not
just
to say it
plotted
doesn't
15
work.
minutes. I just plotted this 15 minutes back when sir has explained what exactly is
No, that's why I said, bro, I'm not trying to find days where it didn't work. I'm just trying to
Absolutely.
understand, okay, if
See,
there is something more to it.
I'll try to explain. I have been using Bollinger Band since like last 3 years in a different way. This is not my
Okay.
method, but I've studied it a bit, deep in my data analysis and all these things. That is the reason I'm just like, trying to put this. See, day started here with a strong confluence. So that's a very strong CE candle, right? And then it rallied and it touched here. Again, it's a confluence. So price tends to move back, but again, there is a support. So
Correct.
if you want to ignore all these things, just follow whatever sir is saying. Like, you entered, ignore till day end. That would do. Otherwise, what here happened was it has actually, I mean, if you see the 15 minutes Bollinger
Bollinger
Band
Band.
has expanded beyond the 1 hour Bollinger Band.
Correct.
So the price is moving away from the 1 hour range.
Okay.
So
This is a
obviously,
strong momentum.
momentum
It's strong. Yeah.
in the lower time frame. But what we
MCAN.
are trying to understand is if 1 hour middle Bollinger Band and 15 minute middle Bollinger Band is below the price, obviously it is tend to go up only. There is no such thing that can break this, right? It's a very strong confluence.
Yeah.
So you can just check on this, sir. I mean, I just found it. It looks good.
Now you know why I missed you, no?
Nothing like it.
No, initially he was our data guy, sir. We
Yeah,
would
I
look,
know.
Yeah,
and
Mr.
suddenly went
Gannikas,
missing.
he's being seen after so many days.
Yes.
No, I'm being with a
Gannikas
different Telegram ID by Gannikas. If you guys see
Oh,
me,
yeah.
but I'm not active. I'm not active.
Okay, I didn't know that. That's when I
Okay.
asked her, where is he disappeared?
Sir, here also
Maybe-
the same thing on 4.
1 hour
By
Bollinger
this
Band,
method, I
right?
think the sidewise.
Sorry, sir,
sidewise
here also
there
on
it is
4th
Yeah.
of June,
Confluence is there. Pakka.
confluence is there. We can blindly bump in like, how many lots we want on a PE side.
Man, you're going to do wonders for our trading.
I'm not sure, but I
Him,
just
bro.
figured out like,
Him, bro,
this seems to be good.
can you check something for walking the band? I mean, use your data skills, use your analytical skills, and
No,
let us
this
know.
is
He's
simple,
already
right?
done it now.
See, this is simple here. See, on 18th,
Okay, when the 15 minute deviates on the outside.
yeah, that's a strong trend.
Okay.
That's
got
a
it.
strong trend, and it is tend to go outside and then continue the trend until we get a signal on the above the red candle. We will not enter CE, and the band is continued. So we rally up the P.
Okay.
So we tend to get more BTST trades also, which will give a good
Yeah, there is
profits.
a lot of
Yeah.
possibilities. I haven't
Yeah,
explored it
gap
much,
up,
but
gap
yeah,
down will give a good money.
Can you please show the settings again?
nothing. See, the simple thing is 4 15 minutes candle equal to 1 hour candle. So I multiply 20 with 4.
80.
That becomes 80 period, the length.
And you don't
That
mess around
actually
with the
brought the 1 hour.
standard deviation.
Yeah, we don't need to change the standard deviations
Correct.
because standard deviation is the statistical part. So we don't have to mess with it.
Yeah, but
And
this is
it is-
beautiful.
And I'll just show you one thing. I'm sorry. I'll just close this. And I was not believing this thing. I mean, I just plotted it, and then I was checking whether the length and all these things are true or not. So first thing I have to take it to okay. So this is a 1 hour length, right? Upper and lower Bollinger Band. And now I'm going back to 15 minutes, and then I'm plotting this thing to see it is exact.
Yes.
So there is no change. And middle Bollinger is as perfect as this. So there is no change. This thing is absolutely correct. Only you see some deviance because in the morning it would have been like this, but after the price moved up, the band would have been expanded a bit further. So that's all the difference is. But
Hemkant,
with this method,
just go to normal candle and show us.
yes,
Yep.
sir.
Fantastic, man.
See, this is what you are saying, right, sir? I mean, there was
Yes.
a strong rejection and all. But
Correct.
I would say that, even 1 hour lower Bollinger Band is hit.
Yes.
That's a damn good C entry.
Yeah, it's a very strong signal.
Absolutely. And
Beautiful.
this is a key resistance, but it's sustained. It's sustained and it rallied further. So the next target is, without any questions, it is upper Bollinger Band of 1 hour.
Beautiful.
Till then, the lower TF Bollinger Band will expand. That is what exactly happened. And Pranit, he actually carry forwarded and then made some money.
Yes.
So this can be the secret. I'm
Yeah.
not saying he knows this, but what I'm trying to say is by this method we could actually try BTST as well.
Fantastic.
Sir, if you had joined yesterday, no, you could have carry forward your trade, sir. You're looking for the forward that 34,000. No, you could have got the BTST also, sir.
Yeah, you could have. Pranit,
So all this,
congratulations.
don't worry, Shenik bhai, you are getting the.
Pranit, congratulations, I said.
What, sir?
I'm
No,
saying.
Pranit made a good profit today. I was congratulating him.
Okay.
And this day, sir, this day, frankly speaking, I was with 8 lots. Okay. And then I just booked somewhere around 8,000 or 6,000 and then left over the remaining 1 to 2 lakhs here.
Wow.
It was such a damn day. My PE trade from 160 to 190 I exited. It touched 700 within span of next 5-10 minutes. This big candle. I was literally on tears. I was just a fool.
Don't worry, you will get such days again.
I mean, yeah, I knew, I understood, okay, it came below the 1 hour Bollinger Band, middle band, and then after that, 15 minutes band also crossed, so it is bound to touch the lower band.
That's the lower
So
band.
I
Yes.
knew it, but I got scared.
Oh.
So during the squeeze times on the lower time frames, this we can expect, sir.
Yeah.
See, for example, here, this is a squeeze. Of course, the day ended here, but the day started, and then this is a powerful confluence. That is the
Yes,
reason it went up. And then
Yes.
again, upper Bollinger Band on the lower time frame and the middle Bollinger Band of higher time frame. This is again
Yeah.
strong
Another
resistance.
confluence.
Yeah. There could be a number of reasons for resistance because previous day high was also there, and then day before previous day was the closing was also there. But what I'm trying to say, if we could just follow this thing, you can
Yes.
understand the bias and the price movement probably.
Yeah, definite, pakka. And Hemkant, now you have to repeat yourself again. Ravindra
Yes,
is
sir.
asking and Bela has joined us just now.
Okay.
So you may have to repeat yourself again.
All right.
Yes, sir. Please.
No. Entry and exit,
demonstrated,
Swaminathan sir, HA candle, that's the best thing. What I am trying to say is, today if you see, okay, this is the first candle, right? In the morning, the price would have been, the band of 15 minutes, upper band would have been not like this. It would have been like this. Like this. Since the price went above the upper Bollinger Band, it pushed the band upwards. Now we are saying like this, okay? But we never understood when the price is going to come back or whether it continue working the band or not. Okay, that is a problem, right? So for this, we could have missed, okay, if it continued, for example, instead of price retracing here, what if price went till here? You could have missed the entire CE thing, right?
Correct.
And unfortunately price retrace. So we could have caught, that was fortunate for us, but we caught the HABB method and then we entered PE, that's fine. But what I'm trying to say, what if we plot another Bollinger Band, not to confuse, just another Bollinger Band, nothing else. But the Bollinger Band has to be of the higher time frame. So for 1 hour, for 15 minutes, 1 hour is the best time frame that can be looked upon, right? So what I'm trying to say, I didn't change the chart. It's 15 minutes. It is Bollinger Band. I have plotted one more Bollinger Band and I have changed the settings into 80 as the length. The reason being 20 is the default length and then 4 15 minutes candle equal to 1 hour candle. So I multiplied the 20 length into 4. That becomes 80. So to my surprise, this upper band and lower band after 15 minutes, this 80 length is similar to 1 hour upper band and lower band. So there is absolutely no deviance at all. It is as I mean, it is exactly the same Bollinger Band if you plot it on 1 hour, but you are getting it on 15 minutes only. So now what I'm trying to say, if you look at here, this was a very strong confluence. 1 hour lower Bollinger Band, also 15 minutes lower Bollinger Band. Price resisted here. That indicates a strong rally.
Yes.
And it rallied. It touched the upper Bollinger Band of 15 minutes also. We may have a confusion, okay, whether to exit. Now it might retrace or not. But what I'm trying to say, here middle Bollinger Band of 1 hour is there. So price will continue to next target, which is upper Bollinger Band of 1 hour time frame.
Beautiful.
Yesterday it couldn't do, but as a gap up, it did. That is
Yes.
exactly what happened. That is how Praneeth you made money. I'm just saying, I'm just kidding. So today also what had happened is, though it crossed the 15 minutes upper Bollinger Band, which was supposed to be here in this mark, it touched the upper Bollinger Band of 1 hour,
1 hour.
and then started falling.
Then started falling.
Yes,
Beautiful.
that's exactly
man.
what was happened. We can do that if the signal is there, but there was no signal, so we waited. So this could have been our entry. Yeah. Yes. That could have been our entry, and it is more optimal.
Brilliant. Lot of people are missing this. Hemkant, be ready for making a couple of more days of presentation like this.
No problem, sir. No
Because
problem. But,
people will definitely want to get in on this.
And by that time, he would have also had more time to actually see this and see if there are other observations also, because this he's just done it in 15 minutes.
Yeah. Plus, see, when upper Bollinger Band levels of 15 minute and 1 hour coincide, you know it's a strong resistance. So you can safely take a PE trade without having any doubts in your mind. Absolutely brilliant, man.
see, here also, there is again a confluence. Whenever you see such confluence, prices tend to move up. Okay. It might have fallen down because some other reason, but not because of this reason.
Yeah.
Okay. There might be 1 or 2 days like this,
Yeah,
but
this
most
is-
of the other days we can confidently trade. I mean, this adds one more aspect to our HIBB method is what I felt. Sir.
Plus, if you're trading big lots, you can trade with confidence.
Yeah. Milan. Hey, Milan, we met, I guess. I mean,
Yeah, hi.
I was the one who shared you that Excel.
Oh, okay. Hi. Got it.
Yeah. So this is again, I mean,
It will be the same, no, because it is equivalent.
no, they will be different, sir.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, because this is 20 SMA of AD length.
It looks like that. Hey, but
So-
okay, right, fine.
When you find a squeeze on 15 minutes time frame, this is the best method to understand, okay, where exactly the price is going or whatever. This is one beautiful example. This was entirely a squeeze day. Max also mentioned about this. If you plot again one more Bollinger Band to this, you can clearly understand, okay, there was a clear rejection on the upper Bollinger Band on higher time frame, and the
Great,
price
man.
is in squeeze on the lower time frame. So it is tend to move. It is tend to move downwards. That is exactly happened, but it went in a range, and then there was a breakout, and the breakout also you can clearly understand. Okay, we
Confluence.
might see for
Clear case
example,
of confluence here at the ball.
if we just plot this thing, we may look for PE entry.
Yes.
But with this, again, your target is like, much increased.
Exactly.
Next week expiry and
That's a
closing
good
on
thought.
closing after 5 days only.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Bella.
Sir, can I, I'm a bit late.
Yeah, I know. That's why I asked Hemkant to repeat.
No, sir will say don't turn on the computer till Monday to Monday.
Monday. Yes. Save energy.
No, what I will continue to trade daily and close the trade because I like to compound my profit. So that I will not change my method. I'm too
No,
old
just
to
kidding, sir.
learn new tricks.
Just kidding, sir.
Hey Baba, nowadays what I'm doing is I'm entering as per HABB and then closing my computer. Once I've entered a trade, I don't look for a contra trend trade and a reversal trade and all. I let the trade do whatever it wants. Bollinger Band. Once I decide the direction, the next step is entry. Entry is as per Heikin-Ashi candle. After I entered the trade has been triggered, I close my computer. Okay, I don't close my computer, but I go and do something else. Yeah, first 10 minutes, I like to know what the price is doing, no? It opened in the middle of the band and is it going up or is it going down? If it is going down, it will be a CE day. If it is going up, it will be a PE day. So first thing is I make a quick assessment of whether today should be a CE or PE. And after that, I
sir,
decide on the entry.
sir,
Pranit, did you carry
any
forward
rules
anything?
you want to add, sir? Hemkant, sir, to it.
Ask again, Nilesh,
No.
you were asking some question, no?
Ha.
Ask Hemkant whatever you like to have.
Sir, any particular rules for it? Like
Nobody. It was just an observation. It was just an observation.
Okay,
Nothing
okay.
to alter the actual rules of HABB. But what I'm trying to say is see, if you want to increase your lot size, you need more confidence, right? So
Yes,
this method, this addition can give that confidence is what I'm saying. And
On
here,
on
people
the
would have
con-
been a little scared to exit or take a CE entry kind of thing. So that can be avoided in this case because the middle Bollinger Band of higher time frame has not reached it. So you could still stay calm and then quiet.
Hold on
And
to your
then
trade and be calm.
yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So
And
these
if tomorrow
areas
it breaks
can be
the middle Bollinger Band of 1 hour,
Yeah.
we can still ride the trend.
yes.
I would say that will not happen always, but yeah, that is the tend to kind of if it is a decent day, it has to because price moves that way, right?
Yeah,
Once 15 minutes lower band is touched, it will retrace a bit and then come in, try to meet the middle band of higher time frame. So if you just instead of 80, if you plot it here 40, it would have crossed the 30 minutes this thing also Bollinger Band, middle Bollinger Band also. That is what I'm saying. Okay, it crossed 30-minute Bollinger Band. Now it is heading to the 1 hour Bollinger Band, which is here. So probably tomorrow there will be a gap down and then it will touch and then retrace, or probably it will break it and then fall down. That's the science.
Those who guys confused with whether to trade C or P, I can share one. I think I've shared with you, right? That color game.
Yeah,
The
color game.
previous day itself, I'm clear, like whether to trade put or call or put.
Dylan, I must
think
thank you. I must thank you. It is working. It is working.
Yes, except I didn't realize Bollinger Band is exactly working like that. So
Can you
today
repeat-
I'm pretty much clear what to trade.
Joel, can you just repeat for I didn't get that color code thing.
Can can you explain? I'm outside. I'm using my phone.
Yeah. So what Joel says is, see, for example, this is a red candle, right? So he's very clear,
Yeah,
pretty
one
much
day
clear.
candle. Color is red.
1 day, daily time frame. This is a red candle on
Okay.
17th June. So he's pretty
Right.
much clear. He would trade only CE on the next day.
Okay.
No PE trades.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
And the very next day is a red candle. So he's pretty much clear. He would trade only CE day, PE.
No.
Okay.
Yeah,
that is what he says.
call buy.
And
Let me explain it.
no.
if you
It can
allow
happen.
me.
It can happen. What he meant to say is he is very clear. If the previous day is red candle, he will look for CE side entries only.
Because that is what exactly Bollinger Band it is.
Absolutely, because
Pretty
if a
much.
red candle forms, what happens is price has retraced down and then it touched the lower Bollinger Band. So obviously it has to retrace upwards. So if it is a red candle, then it would have touched on a 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame, it would have touched the lower Bollinger Band and then price should have moved up. That is what he is catching on.
Yeah,
This
today
has
why
nothing
I
to do.
selected,
This has nothing to do
Yeah.
on the prediction of daily candles, what color. But what he is trying to say is, if the color of the day candle is red, next he will be looking. Yeah.
So tomorrow it will be he'll search for a C
C
rather than a
trade.
P. Okay.
Exactly. That is what
Got it,
he
got it.
did.
tomorrow I'm
So,
expecting the market to go up. It's simple. No matter what, I'll look for C entry.
so
I
his
don't
logic
even
is
look.
pretty clear. See, guys, his logic is pretty clear. Today was a red candle, right? And then it already touched lower Bollinger Band.
Now it has to go
So
upward.
obviously it has to retrace, right? That is the reason he is looking for only C trade. So there the job is half done.
Yes.
And now with this 1 hour Bollinger Band,
Yeah.
and now
Yes,
with
yeah,
this
it's
1
pretty
hour
much
Bollinger
clear.
Band, if there are consecutive green candles on daily basis, we can write that trend too.
Yeah. We could.
It will move up only.
Yeah.
So we can take it as a BTST or a swing trade, and we can continue the trend also.
Guys, test it. I'm not sure, but test it. It looks
No,
like,
no,
yeah,
we'll backtest surely.
absolutely.
Yes.
Great.
Both the
That's all.
problems are
Thank
solved
you.
here.
I think if this thing works, no, then it would be damn good. Because yesterday was very confusing at the start of the day. I'm sure, like for many of the people.
Yeah.
Because in Heikinashi candle, it was like both sides it hit, and then on the normal candle, it was like a rejection candle, but still price played for a while, and then
Now
ran.
what I look at is the opening candle. I see the direction. As soon as it opens, does it go up or go down? If it goes
Okay.
down, I take P. If it goes up, I take P.
But to be frank, sir, from the open price, it went down and then it retraced
Yeah,
back.
it went down. So I took a CE trade.
No, the direction actually is downwards, right? But it
Hey,
pulled back.
direction was downward.
Yeah.
See, after the open, price started pushing down.
Yeah.
It went down almost to the bottom of the band,
Yes.
right? So I knew that there is no way I should take a PE entry.
Okay. Okay.
You never trade against you never take a trade against the red candle, no?
Okay. Okay.
So I immediately decided it's a CE day for me.
But price action, guys, it is pretty clear that, this was a double bottom, and the second bottom was like a bit higher than the previous bottom. So it is about to retrace.
Correct.
That was a clean thumb.
What I do is I look at the first candle. As soon as it opens, what does it do? Does it go upward or downward? If it comes downward, C. If it goes upward, P.
Okay.
I just like to simplify my life that way.
That is good, sir.
Now this 1 hour thing overlay on this is beautiful.
So I request you to check on this, and then probably you can correct this or probably add more inputs on that. I just randomly got into this. That's it.
Who is this conversation with the mystic? Please tell us your name.
Was mistake.
No, there was a
Mistake.
somebody with the username example of conversation with the mystic.
Okay.
I wanted to know who it is.
Over to you, sir. I stopped the presenting.
Yeah. No, not over to me. Hemkant, you're still not done. Rupali
Yeah.
Rai is saying, can you explain on 18th June what would have happened?
1 second.
Huh? Yes. This week he has to be kept busy until he starts screaming and shouting.
What exactly is the question, sir?
Rupali was saying, can you explain 18th June trades for me?
Okay. See, first of all, we will go back to the original HABB method. This is the thing. And then we wait for the break of red candle high to take a CE entry because it has touched the lower Bollinger Band, right?
Correct.
Now what I'm trying to say, if we plot 1 hour Bollinger Band, we can understand whether the trend is stronger downwards or weaker. So this way, what I'm trying to say, if this green candle low is broken, we could have entered the PE trade also, and as soon as it is breaking the
Previous candle high, you can.
Yeah, previous candle high, we could have taken the CE trade. So we got this end and this end as well.
Correct.
So this is exactly what had happened. Otherwise, we would have waited and then taken only CE.
Only a
entry.
CE trade, correct.
And I remember Milan, I just had a conversation prior to this day, I guess. That was a doji. And then Milan said like, he would go with a CE only. He waited and then he went ahead with CE. Am I right, Milan?
He's left. I
Yeah,
think
Yeah.
Milan
he's
just now left.
Okay, that is what he has done. But his logic also paid off. Like, it was a good rally upward. But prior to that, it was a very good rally downwards as well.
Rupali clear.
We would have entered the first candle low is broken. As it
Yeah,
is
because
green.
that's a high Fibonacci 15 minutes
That is
candle
a
and the
green
green candle broken. And we know that 15-minute Bollinger Band, extended 1 hour Bollinger Band, lower band. That is a strong trend.
Strong trend. Yeah, yeah.
And
yeah.
we could have
Whenever
tried
it
it there.
extends, it is a strong trend.
Absolutely. Otherwise, there is no
And if it rejects
means
that
of
price also,
extension, right?
yeah. Means if it rejects that price, then
Yeah, see
reversal
here.
trend would be a strong one.
Exactly. See here, there was no entry at all. That is the reason we haven't taken. Had it been a red candle here, I would have gone for like CE here. Because the upper Bollinger Band expanded beyond upper Bollinger Band of 1 hour. But as per Fibonacci entry, there is no entry at all. So we waited.
No.
So entry, there is no change. Only thing is, if we could add this can add more confidence, or probably, a bit more information is thrown at our screen, and then we can utilize that. And this will help us, especially while exiting. This was a situation where we would have, like, many people would have exited, and then certain people would have taken CE also, because this is a proper HABB rule to take a CE.
Correct.
But I would say that since it has broken this thing, aim for the next middle band or the lower band if the band is the range of the band is lesser.
yes.
That's absolutely. And tomorrow, for sure, it will cross it or it will retrace from this. It should cross, and then it will continue the trend, or probably it will retrace. So that is what happens.
If it crosses with that big red candle, then it can go down further.
Yeah. So like this day can be repeated
Yes.
because
No,
it
but
is already below 15 minutes lower Bollinger Band. So obviously it has to extend further and then retrace. So this day
But
can
you
be
don't
repeated.
know, Hemkant.
Yeah, we don't know.
The
We don't
middle
know.
band, it can touch the middle band and go up.
Absolutely. That is there. It
Because
all depends
that-
on
that
how much
would
gap down
validate,
it
That would validate Joel's, CE trade.
Sir, even if it didn't retrace here, it might extend here, and then it has to retrace. So that there he will catch up on.
Yes.
That is what he is very smartly doing. I mean, I like this color game.
Yes. And by and large, it matches the HABB method.
Yeah, Bollinger Band works in the same concept, right?
Yes, true.
Yeah, so that is what he is doing, and that's absolute. Because daily candle he is plotting and then converting it onto 15 minutes chart.
Yeah.
There, obviously, it would have touched the lower Bollinger Band, upper Bollinger Band by all means.
Yes.
So this I thought would be helpful. I haven't tested with 2 hours or any other hours or parameters, but
Not required here. 1 hour is more than enough.
yeah, that looks like, sir.
See, as
That
long
looks
as you know that there is a strong support or resistance, you
Yeah.
have a lot of confidence in taking the trade.
Yeah.
That itself is a big value addition. I'm very enthusiastic about this now.
Can you open crude oil chart of yesterday?
Sorry,
Can you open crude oil chart of yesterday?
crude.
So tomorrow is going to be a CE day as per the color code.
Mhm.
As per the color code, as per Bollinger Band also, it should be a CED.
Yeah, here
Oh, yeah,
you can
sorry,
see.
sir, we are becoming predictors now. I mean, we
Yeah,
are like
you
1 step
predict.
ahead of the rest of the market.
Feel free.
You know what gonna market do.
No,
Basically,
here,
sir, if you have a contra view towards market, so it pays off. That is what I'm seeing. Right. So if today is a green day, try to sell tomorrow. If tomorrow is if the next day is a
Guys,
red day,
I'll just be
try
back
to
in a
buy.
moment. I'll just be back in a moment.
Yeah, sure. Manu, thanks for your nice message. Yaar. I'm sure you'll be with us for a long, long time. If anyone could suggest how to get an understanding of price action. You made 15,000 bucks on PE. Fantastic, man. But please tell us your name here. Conversation with the mystic.
Sir, by the time, can you explain?
Sir,
What?
Updates,
Prashant. Okay.
dual Bollinger Band.
sir, in the open chart, if you see at 9 o'clock,
Mm-hmm.
there the 1 hour, it has exceeded the 1 hour, and there, even though there is a confluence, the candle started going up, right?
Which one? Yeah?
10%
Correct.
represent-
This is crude oil, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm back. Sorry.
Yeah.
So here, the candle started going up even though there is a confluence.
Confluence
This one?
where?
Yes, at 9 o'clock. Yeah.
See, what I said, if the upper Bollinger Band goes above 1 hour Bollinger Band, the trend is stronger on lower
Trend is
time frame.
stronger.
It will expand. In fact, it expanded because price was rallying up. There is no magic, but it expanded. But if you see, there was a retracement, a bit of retracement.
Yes, yes, yes. So it could have been like when we see the naked chart, it was that the price was walking the band in lower time frame. Now that we are seeing the candles in the have already formed in the lower time frame when the candles were walking the band, we might think that there is a reversal at that particular point around 8 o'clock or so, right?
Yeah.
So we might take a PE.
But see,
over there.
as per HA, this is not an entry. It didn't go below this,
Not at
right?
all.
That is not an entry. And again, you re-enter if you even exit here.
Okay, right.
Crystal clear it is. And even if you draw a simple trend line, that indicates like, the trend is continuing because the candle didn't break this thing. But let's not get into that.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is no hard rule, like, it has to go kind of thing. But this is the price behavior. If 15 minutes upper Bollinger Band is broken for some reason, there has to be a resistance to turn it back down. So that could be either 30 minutes upper Bollinger Band, or it could be 1 hour middle Bollinger Band, or it could be 1 hour upper Bollinger Band. So that is
There's
how the price moves.
There's only one thing I don't like about this.
Sir.
That I have to keep watching the charts. I can't close my computer and go away.
You can mark the levels because the upper Bollinger Band, the 1 hour, these things would stay pretty much there itself, right?
But I don't look at the chart after I enter the trade, no.
No, what I'm trying to, okay. No,
I don't
what-
even really care whether the trend continues or reverses and all. I
So
just
then
say
it doesn't matter to you at all, no, sir?
No,
doesn't
I
matter,
think,
but I was so
I think-
impressed about the confluence.
sir, for you, the good aspect is you can double your lot size.
Yeah, that I'm already doing it.
No, you can quantify it. 1 triple or whatever it is called as, you can double it.
Yeah.
Because this is a stronger chances of
So this
going
will-
down and then going up kind of.
True.
Yes, sir. This will help you in analysis, sir. I mean, previous day, like how before you used to analyze using different other things.
Correct.
This is your this will help you in that.
You give me more conviction for taking the
Correct.
trade in the morning.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
After that, I'm happy to close my computer and wait.
So if there is a confluence instead of deep OTM, you can take ATM also, sir.
Yes,
I will.
sir, you can take ATM now.
I will.
On big spikes, you will take
Sir,
ATM
one thing,
now.
sir, one thing. As per HABB method, 15 minutes.
Mm.
For example, the price closes upper Bollinger Band. If you get the entry here, so as per your rules, you say that, you either close at middle Bollinger Band or probably, earlier rules, or at the lower Bollinger Band.
Correct.
Now, what I'm trying to say, it has touched the upper Bollinger Band of 1 hour. So you
Yes.
either close it here or here.
Yes, true.
And this, at the day starting only.
Yeah, but I always look for freak opportunities.
Okay.
So I like to hold on to my trade till the very end, no matter what the price does in between.
Okay.
It makes my life very, very simple. No?
Yes, sir.
The
That is
moment
agreed.
the moment you start looking at the chart, no, your fingers start itching that you
True,
have to
true,
do
true,
something.
sir.
And now I no longer have the temptation to meddle with my trade.
Yeah.
But
And
for the
one
people
more
who
thing.
like watching charts and trading, it's a fantastic one.
Yeah.
What I
One
like
more
is the
thing.
confidence at the time of entry. It's amazing. Gives you a strong conviction that your trade is going to be right.
Absolutely.
Yep.
One more thing what I have observed is if the range of the 1 hour candle, 1 hour Bollinger Band expands or probably it is bigger than the previous, so it's going to be more like a trending day.
Yes, true.
Because there is no scope if it breaks a lower band, there is no scope for further expansion. So 1 hour is giving it here.
Yes.
This is also to hope for a big profits kind of thing. So your
Yeah.
conviction is again doubled.
Yes, true.
With this one and this thing.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Yes. Yes, true.
Can you check the crude one again? Its length is 80, no? So I'm getting a different chart.
What?
If you put the 1 hour Bollinger Band length as 80, he is getting a different chart, it seems.
Is it?
Shouldn't happen, but
Wait, we'll test it.
It's actually compressed in between. It's neither, it's in the center.
No, that is because we are watching at the day end, right?
No,
The
currently,
bands move with the price, right? Okay, I just marked, okay, this thing. Let me check. Exactly, it is there only. It is there only. This one, this mark.
mm,
Now you switch up the higher this thing. See, it touched. It touched.
mm,
Okay, or else we'll do one thing.
You can put in two colors and then turn off one, and then it will clearly show it.
Oh, that is what I did, right? It's in blue. Now it goes like 1 hour into 4. Hey, this is a 4-hour candle. See? 1 hour, right? This is 1 hour on 15
Yes.
minutes chart. And if I switch to 1 hour, this is
it
exactly the
becomes a
same.
4 hour.
No, ignore about the pink one. You have to
Okay.
look into this, right? This is the
Yeah,
original Bollinger Band.
Original
So it's
line,
the same. It's exactly the same. There would be a slight deviation in terms of curves and all because the price movement. But otherwise it is exactly the same.
Deepak is thinking hard.
Very same. I'm so addicted to Heikinashi candle after Swaminathan first meeting. Seriously, I don't like these normal candles anymore.
So can we apply on the option chart also?
Yeah, anywhere it should be the same.
Option chart you won't have on trading view.
Can you show one in Zerodha or something?
can I share my chart? I still don't see the proper one. I'll share my screen
Yeah, do
for.
that, do that.
Yeah. I'll stop it. Just a second.
You don't have to stop.
Okay.
We can overlay on your thing.
So this is what I am seeing.
Mm-hmm.
This I put 80.
Exactly.
Change the color. Say,
That's fine, sir. You don't need to change the colors. Yeah, now you just mark like, what are the 1 hour ranges. So these are actually 1 hour ranges, right?
yeah, this
Yeah.
is 1 hour and this is 15 minutes.
Yeah, please mark 1 hour ranges.
Yeah. Sorry.
Aha, we know what you trade, sir.
It is no secret. Deepak loves to share.
No, I was just kidding. Like,
Yep.
people earlier, they used to scare to share the charts and all, screens and all. Oh my God. No, that is not. Yeah, exactly. Now you switch off the 1 hour Bollinger Band and go to 1 hour time frame. Switch it off. Yeah. So this 15 minutes should expand to these levels, right? And it expanded.
Yep.
See, that's a math formula, right? I mean, 4 into 15 equal to 60. So that is exactly what we have done.
Yeah.
Only thing is the curve and all a little bit of change, because price we are like focusing on that, and we are now looking into lower time frame plotting higher Bollinger Band. That is the only difference. Otherwise, it is the same.
Let me try Bank Nifty.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, now it's clear, much more clear.
Yeah,
Don't watch.
yeah.
This is secret lines, huh? Don't watch.
Oh yeah. I close my eyes.
I
Only
turned it off.
watching can give you profit.
Yeah, that's very clear in Nifty also.
At least we got to know what stocks you trade.
Oh my God. Everything, whatever the books are
No,
says.
there's a green list. This is what I do.
But sir,
The Bank
like,
Nifty is enough if you want to become billionaire.
he has a very
This
high
is-
win rate.
this is
in
the-
crude oil.
This is the
Commodity.
evening one. This is the
Commodity,
evening
right.
one.
Okay.
This is evening shift, and the green one is morning shift.
Your color
And
coded
when I
that
board, you do app if I want.
Sir
want
has
to
a pro version of
then,
trading.
there are so many other stocks also.
It's a pro version.
Victors also sometimes.
So Deepak ji
And
ka
these
like
are my
24 hours
secret
trade,
lines, huh?
trade actually.
अभी
No,
तो
I
ये
have come to trading in order to avoid that 9 to 5 schedule. Again, like, doing commodity and all 24/7, it's like, I don't know.
and hopefully in a year or two we'll have legalized trading on bitcoins and all. Then entire night you can do.
So you can see those
There
reaction
goes your
levels.
Sundays.
So how I really
Yeah, Bitcoin
Only
today
on
again touched the
weekend day
try
low.
you
to
can
trade
take a
also.
rest.
Along with
otherwise on
HEBB,
all
of
like-
course. You can see these resistance lines, and
Yeah,
they
yeah,
are
yeah.
there. So I was very clear when this rejection happened. There is, if you can see my screenshot also, at 12 I took a P.
That you're checking at a very low time frame, right, sir?
3 minutes.
Yeah, if you plot 15 minutes, there were no candles at all, like countering candles at all. Haiknashi.
No, but even 15 minutes candle
Oh, this is
would have
Nifty.
given me the same information. No?
Okay.
It got
okay.
rejected. Around 12 I entered the P, and I sit till morning I was like in this C's. Then
Okay.
After 12 it was P only.
Okay.
Both in Nifty and Bank Nifty.
Okay.
So are you plotting
Deepak,
these
you are-
lines?
You should have taken it on the fifth candle lower. P.
This one, Nifty.
Bank Nifty. Even
Yeah.
Nifty. Fifth candle low would have given you a P entry.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this could have given. But I waited
Yes.
till here just to be
Ah,
sure.
You missed a little bit of your super profits.
Sir, are you plotting it manually or like something is there? sir?
Manually.
Manually.
Those auto plottings are not accurate always. They're
Yeah,
waste of time.
correct. Yeah.
See, like, I know that I'll mark it for you right now. I can see them in my dreams also.
I've tried to wean him away from this habit of marking lines. He is not listening.
I moved away, sir. No more markings.
I like a clean chart.
Yeah.
In fact, before you stepped into the scene with this 1 hour Bollinger
I'm sorry
Band,
to do so. I'm sorry to do so.
I was trying to say remove the Bollinger Band from your chart
Okay.
and
Yes,
trade
yes.
only the naked chart.
See, actually,
For the
this
last few days,
I could have entered
Swami sir was building the agenda of can we trade without any like building up this agenda.
Now, more confidence into the trading system itself will boost our morale, sir. That is one thing at most needed.
So what I was saying is the logic is like you know the logic of Bollinger Band, you know the logic of Fibonacci.
Hmm.
You don't need to see these things on your chart anymore.
Okay.
Your eyes are already trained.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying.
Sir, can you see on that option chart, sir? Like actually it was presenting.
Hemkant, you are doing how option chart.
Yeah, I'll go back.
Your presentation is still on.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's
No,
on.
no, sir.
Right side में देखो ना after
It is on. It is on.
you have to just maximize it. I don't know how.
Shrenik
to
bro,
do it.
Shrenik bro, all this
No, sir.
information is
No,
is
sir.
only for
I
noting.
know,
Ah.
sir. I won't read it. I know that you have made me, sir.
Oh my God! When I heard his experience yesterday, he bought 8 lakh rupees worth of option and he made it 5 times as well, but he could
Yeah.
not get anything.
Yeah, correct.
My God!
And the two using Tukka methods.
No, sir. I have realized this
Mm.
when we were like earlier when we used like when we were like new recruits, right?
Mm.
So most of the time you will have heard people saying that was my first trade. I made it 2 times and 3 times. And now that we have studied something and we know something, now it is getting difficult to make even 1:1 consistent.
We know
Sir,
nothing. We make the most interesting to know
Sir,
what
that
was
the
what was
problem to me,
Shrenik.
sir. I was not knowing that expiry is on Thursday. Just I blindly deployed 8 lakh rupees. I'm seeing 42 lakh
God.
rupees. I'm not able to cut it actually.
How much were you expecting?
See the irony
50
here.
lakhs, sir. 50 lakh. That's all. 50 I was expecting. That's all.
That's all. Okay.
No, someone told me that we can make 50 lakh in a single day. So I was able to show him, sir, that like I have made 50 lakh to him. But unfortunately, I made only 16 lakhs.
Yeah, many people would give their right hand to earn that 16 lakhs also.
Yeah.
Sir,
No, sir. I
first
was
of
not
all,
knowing that
taking
Thursday's
trade with 8
expiry
lakh
also.
rupees. I mean,
That was my first trade, sir. First trade.
oh my God. You must be a very rich fellow. I can say this thing.
Not rich, sir. Now I'm
Or
not
a very
able to
foolish
make.
one.
Yeah, foolish you can say, sir. Foolish you can say. That.
But what I loved about this narrative was he didn't even know Thursday is the expiry.
Yeah, sir. No, sir. See, I'm telling very frankly, sir. I was not knowing at all. Someone told me that take options. It is like very small. You can get huge
No,
quantities.
it's like we say punchline of the joke. No, that is the punchline of the
My God.
Guys, here it
story.
is.
This happened to me, sir. It's a real fact which like I don't don't forget it the entire my life,
It's a
sir.
great story.
Yeah. So nowadays I'm literally worried to make about 20k, sir. When I see 10k, I'll be cutting the trade. That's all. Finish.
That is what I'm saying now. When we start knowing things, then we get feared with a little loss and all those things. And when we do not know anything, there's no fear in jumping. Either you jump from roof or you jump from your sofa. That is the difference. Like, have you seen a child, a small child?
Yeah, sir. Correct.
You ask him, okay, jump, beta, jump. वो jump
Yeah,
करता है.
correct. Exactly.
How
And
to
after that-
maximize this presentation window?
Sir, I'm not
In
able to
this-
see his this one.
Hello.
Yes, it's visible. It's visible. Sir.
Hems,
Yeah.
1 minute away. We are trying
Yes,
to
sir.
figure out how to maximize your presentation window.
No, sir. I can see only Swaminath sir is like this one.
Yeah. Maybe you can double click this presentation window.
I'll
No. That only Hemkant has to do.
okay.
And then try to maximize it. Change layout is there. Acha. No, but it's auto, tiled, spotlight, all those things only.
Spotlight.
Okay.
Full screen.
Oh. So let me move into auto and then
I
I'll do
think
this.
it is back.
And now
Yeah,
it's back.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, sir, I'm not able to see. It's like only
Abhi,
D.
it's come.
Yeah.
Yep.
Is it visible now?
Very
Yes,
much.
It is there.
No, sir.
All right.
How to do it, sir?
You don't have to do anything. He has
No,
done
no.
it.
You can see me. You can see my screen, right?
Only D is there. Like D symbol is there.
No. You should.
No, we can see.
Okay. Like I think I have some issues.
No, are you on the phone or on the system?
A system, sir.
Otherwise, Hemkant, you close this presentation and again present.
No, sir. I can see. I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it. I got
I
it.
was able to
Okay,
see
we
it.
got it.
Okay. So to be frank, I have just selected ATM strike 34900p. This is where
Okay.
the price started, I guess.
Mm.
And if you see, today we were very lucky that we have not taken entry on 15 minutes lower Bollinger Band. Instead, on 1 hour lower Bollinger Band, we have taken the trade.
Yes. Mm.
So this is one more beautiful aspect. And that is powerful, right? I mean, when compared to
Yes.
15 minutes. So, and we just rallied. We didn't
Yes.
hit the middle Bollinger Band, so we could have continued.
Yeah.
If you go into FAR ITMs, that's a different story. FAR OTMs also different story, but more or like that is resemblance in with Bank Nifty. So it's a
Tomorrow
similar-
probably it will hit the middle band and then turn direction.
Yes, sir.
Likely. Yes.
Because it has to become CE, right? So
Yeah.
this looks wonderful, sir. I'm not sure like how it feels to trade it.
Mm.
I haven't traded it, so
We are seeing the crossover in the down stage, like 1 hour, 30 minutes crossing over like this one, huh?
what? No 30 minutes.
Not
1
the-
hour
sorry.
and,
1 hour and
15
15 minutes. 15 minutes is crossing over. That you have to say, no?
yeah. See,
Okay.
this is PE. There is no shorting it, right?
Yeah,
There is
correct,
only
correct.
you will look for buying.
Oh yeah, buying, yeah.
And the red candle has to be broken on
Yeah,
the
correct.
upside, and that
Yeah.
has happened on the lower Bollinger Band of 1 hour. So that is a very perfect thing. I would have hopped in with more and more lots.
Yes.
No, only 4 lots they have given permission. Swami sir. Swami sir and
Fiber.
then it starts going, you know.
It was just 29 rupees SL, sir.
I know.
Yes.
And look at where the price. Oh my goodness. I mean, what is the win ratio? 1:15 or something.
It's not
This is
like
awesome.
that. I think it's 100 something, right? 100 something.
No. When you compare with your risk, the ratio should be
Oh,
1:15
okay,
or
okay,
something,
yeah.
right?
1:11.
Yeah. So it was just 29 rupees or 30 rupees, let's say, the risk is, and then it went 300. So 300 something. So
Mm.
1:11%.
Mm.
1:11, not percent. Yeah. So yesterday, if we see the what 34
200.
100 CE, right? This is where the price started yesterday, I guess. Yeah,
Yeah,
22.
yeah, correct, yeah.
34 100, right, sir?
Swami sir took 35,000. I think.
35,000.
Yeah, 35,000. See. But he missed that rally today.
This is how it looks. So it didn't reach on CE chart. It didn't reach, but on Bank Nifty, it did touch the higher time frame lower Bollinger Band also.
Yes, it did.
Yeah. Maybe because this is OTM, that is the reason it didn't touch, sir. Can we check on ITM?
Actually, it doesn't matter whether it
Yeah, it
touches
doesn't
or
matter.
not. Because once you got the signal on the Bank Nifty spot,
Yeah, sir.
you
Underlying
know
is
that
better.
you are going to definitely go.
Yeah.
This
More
is
ITM is closer to this, but yeah, it doesn't matter like this.
Yes.
So we could have rallied. This is one aspect where we got a little scared because this is a confluence. But then there is no sign of weakness in HA candle, so we just continue.
Now you
All
have to
green
figure
candles.
out one more thing.
Yes,
How
sir.
do I predict when the market will start blasting?
Okay.
See, I want to get in just before the momentum starts and then ride the wave.
If
Okay.
there is a squeeze,
No, you cannot say that. We
then the
many
trend would
cases
be
it might
a
retrace back also. No, but here the blast had happened because that was a day high and previous day closing and all these things. That is the reason it broke and then it rallied. But those things cannot fit into all this thing.
after a squeeze also it happens. If you
Yeah,
go back,
we can say that also because
squeeze
this is just a
breakout
15
is
minutes range.
blasting one.
So kind of
Yes.
squeeze. It
Yes.
broke and then it went up.
Yeah.
Whenever squeeze happens, it
But I
blasts.
don't want to wait until this goes after, breaks out and then take the trade. I want to take the trade just before the, solid Heikin-Ashi candles formed.
Oh,
Anyway, we'll come to that solution some other day, maybe.
yeah.
Yeah,
Correct,
correct, sir.
We are not going to let Hemkant just live in peace.
This is
Let's hope he doesn't disappear after this, sir.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
we
I'm
will
pretty
track
much
him to the ends
available.
of the
It's just
earth.
about the
We will
This
track
is
him to the end of the earth.
Sir, look at this. Swami sir,
Ah,
what you asked is, look at this.
yes.
I mean, this is on 1 hour. Okay.
This is the place I want to enter the trade. Until then, I'll just sit and do nothing.
Yeah,
Then
exactly. So your entry became like, as soon as 1 hour gave your entry, that is when the
Correct.
15 minutes would have lost it.
True. I've been trying to drill it into these guys. Look at the longer time frame chart.
Yeah.
They never let it.
Just look into this. I mean, when
Yes.
1 hour, this thing, it broke and then it rallied.
Yes, yes.
But it would have started in the shorter time frame, no, bro?
Yeah. Always,
Ah.
other time
Correct.
frame has potential to alter the higher time frame. We think the other way, but
Yeah.
that's not true. Because whatever action happens in the shorter time frame will
Correct.
result in a higher time frame. So
Yes.
Yes, yes, definitely.
I'm excited for tomorrow.
Mm.
All the more reason tomorrow is expiry again.
Tomorrow is Xperia.
no.
No, no.
Isn't it?
Tomorrow Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Tomorrow is only
Oh my
Wednesday.
God. Okay. 2 more days for my weekend. Okay.
It is fires, no? Chart.
Yeah.
You can trade on the chart only, right?
I don't trade on this. I am an angel guy.
Okay, me too. But it gives you liberty to trade on the chart and trail the stop loss
Okay.
and drag down system.
No, we don't need stop loss, right? Swami sir will hit us now.
Correct. I'm saying please avoid stop loss. See, whatever is complicating your life, you
Sir,
know it.
frankly speaking, sir, for this trade, I mean, what can be a stop loss?
Stop
Because
loss, yes,
this
yes.
is a very strong confluence. Nothing
Correct.
can
There's
beat
no
and
need
go
for a
downwards.
stop loss. The more stronger the confluence, then less
Yeah.
the need for a stop loss.
Exactly. So for yesterday and today, there is no need for any stop loss at all.
I'm trying
Beat
to
the
brainwash
Indian
everybody and say don't take stop loss and wait till the end of the day. Please have to listen one day. Until then, I'll keep on talking this.
Sir, we will.
Let us make
Sir, the time will come, sir. The time will come.
Sir, see this 17th entry on 17th opening, right? So it did not work.
No. You have to see based on Bollinger Band of Bank Nifty, not with the CE chart. Right?
Okay, underlying.
It will work, buddy. This is CE.
Can you just put
Chart
on
will be
the
gone.
Bank Nifty chart for 17th?
Nifty Bank.
17th.
You're looking at futures. Okay.
Yeah, I have an addiction to VWAP, sir. I'm sorry. So I never care what spot is doing. Only
VWAP will get you into a trade or out of the trade too late.
yeah. That is one bad thing.
It is a bad thing about all indicators, basically.
True.
Lagging one.
Basically, it's
This
a
is how
no
it is.
profit, no loss day if you can like just manage to enter at the tip of the spike, right?
See, there is one more observation. I mean, I was just looking at the chart. The middle Bollinger Band is nothing but SMA 20, right?
Correct.
That is the moving average, right?
Yep.
If the moving average of the lower time frame, lower Bollinger Band is inclining downwards than the upper Bollinger Band, the trend is downwards only.
Okay, right. Yeah,
It's
lower
like a
time
moving
frame has
average
crossed
crossover.
moving average crossover.
Yeah, these things like, get very ugly if we keep discussing, but these are a waste of time.
We can make
Why
3-4
sir, why
strategies
again
out of
ruin
it.
BBC? I don't want to ruin it. But practically speaking, this is what it is. I mean, it is looking downwards, and then upper Bollinger Band, middle band is upwards, so there is no sink at all, and then yeah.
No, but
Yeah,
Hemkant,
but it is also
see,
giving the late signal only.
somewhere it will reverse, right? And then
It
we
will.
have to ride it.
No,
So-
for somewhere it to reverse, there has to be a resistance or support, right? So the support has come here. It tried to reverse, again resistance,
Broke
again
through.
it fell. So all these things, again, like, we may have to draw a trend line like this and then see, okay, because of this, because of that, because of n number of reasons. And Camarilla pivot guys, they come and then they say CPR, because of CPR.
That is all explaining in hindsight.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
who is
yeah.
interested in that? I'm just trying to understand that confluences acts as a very good point for trading, high probability areas basically.
Yes,
Yes,
absolutely.
yes,
That's the only of out. What should I say?
yes, yes.
Take
Outcome
home.
for
Take
what
home.
happened.
I will.
Bottom line.
Right. That's the bottom line that we arrived
Yeah.
at.
This was a damn good day.
Yes.
So is today also. I mean, this might work for 15 and 5 minutes as well. I mean,
Definitely, it should.
yeah,
All you have to do
Like
is change the
3 and 15 minutes, like Deepak
Yeah.
sir was showing. It should work for him for
Yeah.
lower entries.
True.
We all know that 1 hour time frame is a very important time frame with regard to positional movement of the index or market. So any confluence with that time frame has to be more potent, as
Yep.
is visible here.
No, for positional, I heard you saying 1 hour time frame, but take my advice and then go for 4 hours and then see the difference. Why I'm saying 4 hours is
4 hours for our Indian markets.
positional. Yes. Why I'm saying positional 4 hours is at 1:30, the biggies would come into market again. Okay.
Yes.
And 1:30 will commence a fresh 4 hour candle on a daily trading session.
Okay. So on
Okay,
that
so
basis,
four-
you're saying 4 hour period is a.
No, I'm not just saying. I used to trade. So you
Okay,
just check it. It will like help you to ignore 1 hour. Since you mentioned positional.
Show us here 4 hours also. Hmm.
The higher the time frame, the better it would be for positional, right? So
For this, we have to change the setting of Bollinger Band, right?
yeah, obviously. Probably a weekly or something, and then daily one. And I don't know. May have to check.
One of the lower and one of the higher time frame.
Yeah. Whichever suits. I mean, see, positional also it depends, right? Some people might continue it for a week or probably some.
No,
10
by
days.
positional,
No,
I
no,
mean
no.
short-term swing trades, right?
If you are option
That's-
buyer,
That's
can't
it.
go positional. In,
No, not for options. Not for options. For stocks and all. I'm saying.
So stocks, for
Yeah.
stocks option.
No, if you are trading future and with a hedge,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can
yeah.
carry on for whatever
you
time
can
you
do.
want. The only
That's right.
condition is you should enter at the right point.
No, but one thing is pretty clear. If we can we can just this tab Bank Nifty. There is nothing we have to look out for.
Yeah, it's a big gold mine. Wait.
Oh, yeah.
Ideally,
So these days, algo tradings have been very actively happening, I suppose. Sir.
It at the,
Left, right, it was like
it is at a
happening,
peak.
but 2 days, no, there was no sign of them.
And I like this because the algo traders will keep the price volatile.
Yeah, that is
So,
there.
that is the lovely part of it.
Yeah.
System gonna
They
take
don't
every
know.
trade.
They don't realize they're helping us.
Yeah. System gonna blindly take every trade.
The people who are following
logic,
breakout
nothing.
strategy, they are getting screwed in this kind of market.
Someone
Yes.
just said they
And
are like
option
the
sellers
child
and
only.
people like us, they are benefited most.
Someone said no, they are like the child only.
Mm. Shrenik was saying.
Yes, blindly taking the trades.
Nice, Imkan bhai, you have done really nice observation.
Yes, yes. I
Thank
was
you.
immediately thrilled.
I just accidentally stumbled upon it. That's it. Nothing much. I mean, I haven't invested any time actually.
Actually, it reminds me of one book which I studied 2 years back. I forget the name of the author. It will be in my library. I'll have to see. So that author was using a longer term Bollinger Band and a shorter term Bollinger Band, and somewhere down the line he was using this concept only, I think, because at that time I did not understand much, and he was kind of proposing, I think, same idea when the like shorter term time Bollinger Band will start expanding. That is the time when longer term Bollinger Band will also start showing movement.
Mm.
And then he was proposing something, but I read it at that time and just forgot it because I don't see any practical use to it. But right now I can see there's a practical use to this.
Now you trace out that book and share it in the group.
It's in my Amazon Kindle or something. I'll just
Give us the name of the book at least.
Yeah, it was like trading with volatility or something. I'll
Okay.
just a second, sir. I'll share it.
No hurry, yaar. You can do it later also.
Yeah.
That's it, sir.
Yeah, man, great. Now I'm going to chew on this and
Yeah, please. I mean, I would like to hear like what exactly you figured out. I mean, is there any value add or not?
no, the value add is clearly there. Confluence zone gives you a stronger conviction in your trade. That is the biggest takeaway. No,
And for the targets as well, sir.
No, I'm not bothered about the targets. I'll hold till
No,
the end.
mostly, but reversals and these aspects.
For the rest of us mortal ones, it
Yes,
will be
yes,
helpful.
yes.
For the rest of you mortals,
Mortal.
Lesser mortals, for lesser mortals like us.
yes, you
We'll
guys
keep
get
on we'll keep on analyzing during market also.
A lot of people have missed a very good session here.
Yes, and hopefully Praneeth bro's recorded. I don't know if he has, but
Praneeth normally records.
No problem, sir. We can schedule one more on Saturday or something like that.
Yeah,
good one, him, bro. Please keep having. We wish you keep having these accidents often.
Thank you.
Hemkant is the thinker in our group. So he keeps thinking about how we can do things better.
So that
No, sir,
exactly
he was the first one to throw data at us, sir. That is why I very clearly remember that, okay, where is he gone? Because we've moved on from different strategies to another strategy and all that, and without his help, we are thinking.
And he was sitting there in plain sight in disguise.
I didn't know it was him, sir, because I saw that he had an argument with somebody, sir. Some Gannicus guy. I thought, okay, who's this Gannicus? I didn't know. Okay, like he's talking sense. At least somebody is stopping people from using some indicator or somebody was saying something, sir. I don't know. And he had an argument. I was like, okay. Now only I knew that it is him.
No, I knew when he had changed his name. I knew it was him.
Yeah. Lately, I saw Spartacus Netflix season, so I fell in love with that character, and then I changed my profile to Gannicus.
Acha.
So that is how it came.
Beautiful, we all had a great time. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, actually.
You've given us a lot more to think about now.
Yeah, hopefully this will further expand our webinars. I mean, I would want that.
Yeah, true.
I
Definitely.
do
it
not
will.
want you to say that there is nothing to discuss. No, that should never end.
I usually say no when people say, "Do we have a webinar today to discuss what?" Now we have done everything. I mean, now you put a new dimension on this.
Yeah, probably for commodities, maybe the time has to be changed. I always believe 30 minutes could do justice for commodities. So 30 and some other time frame should do better than these time frames.
Yeah.
But we have to check it. I'm not sure.
Bro, work on Bank Nifty only. Now let commodity guys suffer.
No, dude, I just trade only Bank
Who
Nifty.
cares for them?
No,
Let
no,
us
you
care
didn't
for
hear the
ourselves.
part where he said, let commodities guys suffer.
Yeah, I said for commodity guys, like Deepak sir, somebody asked crude and
Yeah,
all, right?
Deepak Kohli was
No, Amit sir wants them to suffer.
Okay.
Suffer in the sense, we should be the first beneficiary, right?
Luckily, Deepak sir is not here.
Of our knowledge.
Deepak has left.
Yeah. Luckily, sir.
Before trying to make world a very nice and better place.
Person. He can take a joke. He is a very nice person.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. His conversations are also very neat and clean.
I think
Yes.
he's a little bit serious person.
No, we have a lot of fun in our live trading session.
No, that's because I think you both are of same age group. But like whenever I try to chip in or trying to light
he
a
will-
okay.
He will feel terribly offended if you say he and I are in the same age.
Why? What does he think? He's very young as
Yeah,
compared
he's
to yourself.
At least not
Okay.
in my age group, definitely.
Okay.
Great, guys. Shall we wind up today?
Sure, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
Imbro.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Yep.